Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. Making money online today is simpler than ever due to so many people doing business on the internet. At one time consumers were reluctant to shop online, but now it is much safer and people are warming up to the idea of giving credit card information online. If you would like to make money online and in search of good tips on how to do so, then continue watching below. Some online money-making opportunities are scams. The range of online work is vast, but some of the work may be unsatisfactory. Check reviews to ensure any site you want to partner with is on the up and up. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. As stated in the above video, more and more people are making money online today because consumers are less afraid of shopping on the internet. Now that you have great tips to follow, you can get a piece of the internet money-making action. Keep these ideas in your head as you constantly seek new ways to make money online. Student loan.